In this video, I will tell you how to share your Wi-Fi password on an Android phone. So it's pretty simple. First of all, you will go into your settings, then you will click on like network and internet, and then you will click on like Wi-Fi. So for this to work, you should have connected to any Wi-Fi that you have. So as you can say that I am connected to this Wi-Fi here. So you will tap on your Wi-Fi network, and then you will find this share option here. So you will click on this share option here, then you will enter your mobile device password, and now you have to actually get the phone of your friend, and from the friend of your phone you actually have to scan this QR code. And once they scan your and once they scan your network's QR code, they will actually get to see this network's password, and they will actually log in. So that's how to share your Wi-Fi password on an Android phone. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.